Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to eject the finisher for HP color LaserJet Enterprise Flow MFP M776. Okay, the finisher, this is the finisher here, this device here. Okay, this is the finisher. Okay, sometimes you might get like paper jam in the finisher, like for example the paper jam is inside here. Okay, but you don't know how to when you have checked everywhere and you can't find the paper, and maybe the printer is displaying some messages here that clear the paper jam from the finisher, but when you try to remove it, when try to adjust it, it can't move. Okay, and today I'm going to show you how to eject it so that it moves. Okay, you open this door here. Okay, there's a lock here, you place it like this. So when you place it, it unlocks the finisher. Now you use your hands to slide the finisher. When you slide it, it opens. Okay, in this path sometimes you can get paper jams, so when you want to clear paper jam from the finisher, in most cases you clear it from here. Okay, you will find a paper here or somewhere here stuck here, but you cannot see it the other side. Okay, to put it back, you put your hand here and slide it, okay, gently, and make sure that that sound clicks. Once it clicks, that is a sign that it has locked. You close the door, because sometimes if you don't close it, the printer will show you here that please close the door. Okay, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification button. In case I upload more videos like this, you'll be able to see them. Thank you. Bye bye.